Hari Om students, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Today we see the topic Bridges to Cross. What is the title? Bridges to Cross, page number 57. Bridges are structures that help us to cross over a water body, a railway track, or a road. What is a bridges? Bridges are structures that help us to cross over a water body, a railway track, or a road. Do you know, students? Bridges, type of bridges. In this lesson, we have seen four types of bridges. In this lesson, how many bridges? Four types of bridges. First one is beam bridges, cantilever bridges, arch bridges, and suspension bridges. What are the four? Beam bridges, cantilever bridges, arch bridges, and suspension bridges. Suspension bridge has a rope strung across the river. Suspension bridge has ropes strung across the rivers. Next, we see the topic cantilever bridges. What is the topic? Cantilever bridges. What is cantilever bridges? Do you know, students? If you have any idea about cantilever bridges? Yes, cantilever bridges. Lakshman Jola across the river Gangas near Rishikesh in Uttar Pradesh. What is the example of cantilever bridge? Lakshman Jola across the river Ganga near Rishikesh in Uttar Pradesh is one such example of a cantilever bridge. Next, we see the topic Golden Gate Bridge. What is the topic? Golden Gate Bridge. This is the image for Golden Gate Bridge. The opening of the San Francisco Bay into the Pacific Ocean. The opening of the San Francisco Bay into the Pacific Ocean. Next, we see the topic Pontoon Bridges. What is the topic, students? Pontoon Bridges. During floods and calamities, the army builds pontoon bridges. When the army used pontoon bridges? During the calamity periods. The earliest bridges were made of wooden logs, planks, or stones. The earliest bridges were made up of wooden logs, planks, or stones. Wooden logs, planks, or stones. Next, we see the topic modern bridges. Modern bridges are built mainly from steel or concrete. A beam bridge consists of a horizontal beam that is supported at each end by vertical pillars. A beam bridge consists of a horizontal beam that is supported at each end by vertical pillars. Do you understand, students? Next, we see the topic arch bridge. An arch bridge is supported at either end by structures called abutments. By the structure is called abutments. An arch bridge is supported at either end by structure is called abutments. Are you understand this lesson, students? Now I ask some questions. Try to answer the questions. Okay. The earliest bridges were made up of what material? Yes, wood. The earliest bridges were made up of wood. The army makes pontoon bridges using boats. The army makes pontoon bridges using boats. Are you enjoying this lesson? Thank you, children.